I'm Roger Castle. I'm the Chief Development Officer of the Los Angeles Regional Food Bank. The Los Angeles Regional Food Bank is here because of the support of generous individuals in the community and companies like 911 Restoration. We'd like to thank the franchisees of 911 Restoration for their support of the Los Angeles Regional Food Bank.
911 Restoration in Fairfield is sanitizing and deep cleaning the vehicles of first responders for free.
Being a restoration services company, we're kind of at the forefront as far as experience, training to handle disaster.
We're real grateful for 911 Restoration to come in, especially at a time like this.
We all have an opportunity through our business or through our heart to give back. Recently, we had an opportunity to give back to our community through an organization for disabled children. And we sponsor a few of those teams, and that gives them the ability to go out there and play in the sports that they see all their other kids playing, that they never had an opportunity to do.